first session only we have discussed that every particular cell has their own name, right? And that name consists of the column name and row number. Every cell has their own name that is made up of the by default column name and row number. Okay, like for example, if I'm selecting this particular cell, so this cell in the column number K and row number 12. So that is why this particular cell was known as K12, right? So this is the name box, and from here you can change the name. If you want to make this rather than K12, if you want to rename it as Alok, so you just need to put her name and press enter. And whenever you want to go to that particular cell, so what you can do, you can just control G, you can press control G, and you need to go to the cell name you have pressed Alok, so you'll press OK and you will reach there. So rather than renaming a cell, what you can do, you can just select an area and rename it. Okay, so you can rename it. Let's say I have renamed it with Vivek. Okay, so what will happen, it doesn't matter where I'll be in whatever cell or whatever sheet I'll be working, whenever I'll be selecting like control G and going to Vivek, so I'll press OK and I'll be reaching to this particular area. Okay, so similarly,
Yes, sir.
within this PPT, it has just shared about this thing only, that how you can change name or like rename the particular cell. Okay.